Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Fathom meeting. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and delete a Fathom meeting. How do you go ahead about doing so? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, what you're going to do is that you're going to log into your Fathom.video account, and then you want to find the meeting that you want to go ahead and delete. So we're just going to go ahead and delete this meeting right here. You want to hover over the three dots and then click on delete recording. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone and that it will permanently delete the call. So just click on yes, delete this call. And as you can see, Fathom has now deleted that call. Now keep in mind that this action is not reversible, so make sure that the meeting that you want to delete is something that you want to permanently delete. But either way, guys, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete a meeting on Fathom. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.